YouTube. What it do, man? It is your boy Kari Beats, as y'all can see. Back with another POV drive. You know what I'm saying? At nighttime. Some cool, calm, collect. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, nothing too extra. You know what I'm saying? Late night POV, man. You know what I'm saying? With the violin vibes. You know what I'm saying? Straight acoustic whip. But, man, you know what I'm saying? Like I said in all the beginning of my videos, or what I should start saying in all the beginning of my videos, make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I mean? We're trying to be more consistent, you feel me? Every chance I get, you feel me? Every day, I got some free time, some downtime. You know what I mean? Go ahead and take advantage. At least get one vid, you know what I'm saying? At least one. Cause now I'm just cheating myself. Feel me? I not mean to do that. Oh, car crew. Well, what going on, car crew, man? How y'all boy been, man? I gotta get the angle right. Hold on, I'm trying to do a lot at one time. Trying to get the focus good. All right, y'all straight. But yeah. How y'all boy been, man? Hit them pops, bro. My car got a little natural burble, you know what I mean? I forgot that cat do that, cause scat, bro, Olivia, I used to kill that junk, bro. Before I like burble tuned her, man, bro, I'm talking about, bro, burble's too easy. You just gotta find a sweet spot. Most of all of them got the same sweet spot. What a line there? I wouldn't even know what needle line. Yeah, man, we're going to the gas station real quick, man. Gonna see one of my homies up that bit, man. He got a nice little whip, you know what I mean? Nice little whip, nice little toy. Let y'all boys see that thing one time, man. Can y'all hear that whine, man? I hope that wind ain't too loud, bro. Oh, look at 12. Damn, two of them boys. Two of them boys, no lights. Ain't one facing in, one facing out. Boy, ain't got no lights on. That crazy. Man, I ain't doing nothing though, but just like still, you feel me? It's just like, oh man. No, them boys be look, and it's naked. Bro, it ain't nothing out there bit. Nothing but space and opportunity. Ugly at. Y'all hear that whine, man? Oh my goodness. That's the only downshift you can hear the whine, bro. This second gear in this car. But boy, if I had a 2018, the 2017 still shift like these too. But the 2018, when they changed that new transmission like that, they like, well, you know, they enhanced it. But boy, I want that transmission. I wanna ask around and see if somebody can do that, bro. Like mimic that tune. I know y'all can do it. It ain't that hard. There's a stop tune. It ain't that hard to figure out what it is. Just them shift points and them downshift points, bro. Like they be so snappy, car crew. Like that's something crazy. windows up just a little bit. It feel good though. I'm just trying to make sure y'all boy can hear. Oh, is that a turtle? Oh no, it was a possum. Let me let the sunroof bit. I know they're gonna be windy, but you can hear a lot when the sunroof goes. Sound better with that window down on it. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. And it feel good outside too. Like, bro, that junk get loud, cuz that's just third gear car crew. Like, bro, that junk crazy. I know y'all don't even want to really hear me talk for real. Y'all boys want to hear Scarlett speak, you know what I mean? And I'm on the same page. Like, but if I could just get that junk the whine when I downshift, bro, and make the downshift more snappy, like the newer HELLCAT. Yeah, man. Little slight little cruise, man. Something slight, you feel me? You got the light going on. Yeah, Sersky. Yeah, car crew, man. That boy comment what y'all want to see me do to Scarlett next, bro. Mod wise, you know what I'm saying? Go all around the margin, you feel me? What y'all want to see next, bro? I know somebody gonna say burble tune, bro. Do not say burble tune, gang. I'm gonna leave that alone this time, bro. You know what I am? We're gonna leave that alone, man. Do not say burble tune, bro. Y'all boy for real, comment down below what y'all boy want to see, you know what I'm saying? Some stuff on the way, you know what I am? And when y'all see it, y'all boy gonna be like, no, that boy just snapped. Literally, that boy just snapped bad. And I'm not done. You know what I'm saying? With the car, like, that gonna be one piece, one main piece I want done. Then the second stage coming, you know what I'm saying? That boy gonna, woo. Scarlett gonna be so tough, bro. Scarlett gonna be so tough. One of the best in the state, telling you. One of the best in the state, bro. I'm telling y'all, boy, mark my word, man. She finna be like one of the hardest street cars, bro. Toughest. I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all, boy, just watch, bro. Just watch, man. Let me downshift one time. Y'all boy hit that wine. Are y'all ready? Ooh, stick 'em. I ain't hit one of them in a minute, man. I'm just wasting gas. My bad, y'all. I'm just enjoying the wine with y'all, boy, man. I ain't really talking too much. It's really about Scarlett right now. You know what I'm saying? Now I gotta see what cuz it. tell him what side that nigga on. Hopefully on the natural side the car nigga go to. Alright. Man. See, when I dance to the first, bro, it don't do no kind of sound. It just dances. It let you know, though. Where is this nigga at, man? Y'all let me know y'all see a Mustang. And don't get on my head. Cause it's a Mustang. Oh, I see him. Oh, there you go. There go that bad man. Hey, y'all know I don't care about Mustang, but nigga, I ain't gonna feel me. If I link over the Mustang, nigga, it ain't gonna be the regular one. You hear me? Y'all know I rock with the 500. I ain't gonna lie, I'd get one if I just had LFU money. If I just had LFU money fast, I'd get a GT500. I wouldn't get rid of my cat for it though. Absolutely. I wouldn't get rid of a Hellcat for it. Whether I had a red eye or the cat I'm in now. I don't want to do that. But I think I parked so cricket, bro. I'm tripping. But yeah. Yeah, man, but y'all see that thing, cuz look at that, man, that mother hard. That mother hard, yeah. Ooh, woo. Man, why my camera look like that, bro? Chill out, you embarrassing, bro. Man, you supposed to be crystal clear right now, man. Nigga might need an Android. Nigga might need an Android. That nigga probably in there getting a brisket sandwich. Big in a brisket. That bitch one, I can't see nothing out that bitch. That bitch rotors huge. That bitch tough though. Man. Woo. Which one y'all taking, cuz? What one y'all boy taking? Let me know. I'm getting thumbnail. All they gonna be unedited, by the way. It's just gonna be a raw vlog, a raw POV. But yeah, cuz, which one y'all boys taking, man? Y'all taking the 500? Or y'all taking that cat? You feel me? Don't get it twisted now. The cat 101. We're doing 1 too. I want to try him. Ain't he on some Nittos? No. That be on the Nittos too? That's crazy. I'm on regular street tacker. Go wild in. I'm on regular street tacker. Come on. Crazy. I'm on regular street tacker. My car's so dirty. Tire brown. For some reason, don't know. It's more hard. I gotta drive one of these, bro. I don't want to be glazing and act cool. Let me drive it. I ain't gonna lie. I just want to ride in it, but I ain't no road one either. I'll take that. I ain't gotta drive that bitch. I ain't that type of nigga. A lot of niggas be like, bro, let me drive your whip, bro. I'm like, damn, bro, nigga just got that bitch. Let that nigga enjoy that bitch, cuz. Leave. Nigga be want to tell you whip up for you can even think about tearing that bitch. But yeah, man, we're gonna end it off right here. Probably end it off, probably not. If we end up cruising, like, bro, wanna cruise or something and get a little clips of that, or make a whole another POV. This is just the end of one POV, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Let me know if you want to see some content with this right here. I got limited time with bro right here, you know what I'm saying? For bro, you know what I'm saying? Got to do, handle business. But hey, my boy, let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know anything, you know what I'm saying? See who really run the streets. You know what I'm saying? The 500 run the street or the cat run the street. Nah, boy, let me know something, man. But yeah, man, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said, not the end of my video, man. For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do, man. Y'all boys stay prayed up. Stay safe out here in these streets, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first. Try your best, you know what I'm saying, to just keep trying, stay faithful. You know what I'm saying? Stay humble, stay grounded. And try to do better every day, bro. Try to fit bad habits. You know what I'm saying? It's hard in the beginning, but it get better over time. But yeah, man. Also, man, like I said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.